The Cradlepoint IBR900 is a ruggedized LTE router that's best suited for vehicle and IoT applications. Of course, due to its extensive features, it can be a good fit in a small office or home office as well. When we first open the box, there's information on where we can locate more details about the router, like the Quick Start Guide. There's also some installation instructions and warranty info. Moving on, we have the router itself, which is quite small at under 5 inches in length and width and just over 1 inch in height. This side of the router is where the dual SIM card slots are located, both of the 2FS size. The embedded cellular modem is either a LTE Cat 11 or Cat 18 type. In both cases, we have 2x2 MIMO SMA female connections for the cellular, one main and one auxiliary. There's a third SMA connector on this side for active GPS support. On the opposite side, the router has two Wi-Fi connections with reverse polarity SMA ports, which are used for the local Wi-Fi access as well as any Wi-Fi WAN connections. This is a feature that allows you to use a nearby Wi-Fi network as a WAN connection. The router supports Wi-Fi 5 technology. You've also got 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, which provide a max throughput of 940 megabits per second, one labeled LAN and the other labeled WAN. However, both ports are configurable as WAN or LAN. There's even a USB port that can be used as another WAN source with cellular USB modems. This is also where we have our 4-pin power port and reset button. Note that this supports power between 9 to 24 volt DC and 100 to 240 volt AC. Note the edges where you can mount the router to a wall or DIN rail if needed. On the bottom of the router, we have our device label, which you'll want to take a photo of if you plan on mounting it anywhere. This may come in handy if you ever need to factory reset the router. Next in the box is the power and GPIO cable. This has a 4-pin connector with 4 wires. Black is for grounding to the vehicle chassis, red is for power, orange is for input, which supports ignition sensing, and blue is for output, which is the general purpose I/O. Lastly, we have replacement screws for the SIM slot cover in case you lose the ones that come on the router. That wraps up our unboxing of the IBR900 router from Cradlepoint. We hope you enjoyed this video and welcome you to subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Thank you for watching.